Alright, how you doing? I am Colin and this is Shineautomotive, and we have another project on today that the lads have filmed, which is a Subaru Impreza GB270. We know how much you all like the Subarus on this channel from Nathan's Subaru, which still hasn't had any work done to it yet, but it's all in the making. So this one's Ryan's that helps us out on the race team, and this one, they were an upgrade. They had about 40 brake horsepower more than the standard ones, and they had a load of performance packs on them, upgraded ECU, stuff like that. I'm going to put a link down to Piston Heads where they have a full write-up if you want to know in detail to more spec. So this episode is going to be a 4-part series where we're trying to get this Subaru back on the road and see if we can make it look half decent, because it's in a sorry state. And if you don't know who we are Shineautomotive, a car project channel on the cheap, dead cheap. Let's get cracked on. Enjoy this one.
And I need to stop saying that.
Hello everyone, Shineautomotive. We have Lewis here, Daniel, Ryan, myself and Ollie! And Ollie in the corner.
Hey, I poke out of my head!
Today we're getting on with a Subaru, but not my Subaru, unfortunately.
Yeah, because touching on that, we are struggling getting some body panels at the moment, so if anyone can help us out with some body panels for Nathan's Subaru, let us know in the comment section down below. Got to save this one because we need to keep this original.
Instead, we're on with Ryan's Subaru, his Hawkeye Prodrive, his GB270.
Unfortunately, I made the bad decision like Nathan to buy one of these.
Yeah, you shouldn't have bought a Subaru. It's on the ramp here. We've built up an engine for it, which is over here in the boot of the mighty Kia. The mighty Kia Soul. So we've built up this engine here. It's raining. So we're going to put this engine in Ryan's car and hopefully get it running today. So yeah, let's
Crack on!
Nice and light. What have you got there, Ryan?
Got the end nice, but Oliver's doing slow getting it there.
So first we're just going to get the rest of the bits on the engine. So we've got the manifolds to put on the up pipe, the turbo, then take it off the stand, put the crank seal on, and then flywheel on and a few other little bits, and basically just get this engine fully built up ready to lift in. So let's crack on.
Battery for you here, Nathan.
Rollover proof.
He needs that, doesn't he?
I do need that.
No heat shield, here.
Safety split.
I was just taking over to show Ryan how it's done.
This is easy.
Right, so I'm just putting the up pipe on. Ryan's getting the turbo.
Oh, turbo's already there.
Thought I'd lost
Need
my
a
turbo.
14mm bolt.
Go on, Ryan, show us what you've done. How did you do that?
The vis may have slightly fell on me up at top of the yard. Yeah. It hurts.
Right, so now we have to look for some sort of oil pipe, which, if we can find a breather pipe off of KA, that will work. We just need to find one.
Why do you need to find one?
Because some head's lost one.
I may have misplaced it, yes. Don't tell Colin we're stealing his K8 bits.
He'll never know.
He won't notice when he's editing the video.
He'll never know.
We're keeping quiet between us lot.
Genuine Subaru parts.
Oh, perfect. Look at that. Brilliant. Right, it needs some 14s. So not only have we got pipes missing, but I've lost a few bolts. So we've got a nice box of Collins, but don't tell him we're stealing his bolts as well. So we've now got the engine free off the stand. I'm going to put the crank seal in now, the plates and that, which cover where you get the gudgeon pins out for the pistons. And then we need to put the flywheel on, clutch, and we're ready to put it in.
Now we've got the flywheel on, so we're now putting the clutch plate on. Now we're talking to spec. Click, 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 click. Sorted. It looks a bit rusty, but it's actually alright. It's cleaned up well on the faces, and that's all what matters. And Ryan's too tight to buy a new clutch.
Only thing car's good for.
Right, so we've got the engine all ready to go in. We've got the car for the engine to go in. So now all we have to do is put engine in car. Easy as that.
Easy as that.
Always lose your shaft. Smash the sump clean. Yeah, we're in.
There's no such thing as wrong thread. One's just tighter than the other.
Right.
Cross thread better than no thread.
You jack it up a bit more.
Not really lap time.
Got him off?
That'll do. I think that's going to pull in now. It'll pull on them, I think.
It's been a long time since that engine bay has actually seen an engine.
And it looks beautiful for now.
It looks like it's going to be expensive again. What's going on? Oh my god, that's been a long time.
Right, about there. Right, let's lay it down.
Oh my god, Jake!
It's making funny noises.
Yeah, just leave it at that.
Mullet.
Drop the nut. What's that now?
Bonnet's getting painted anyway. Cameraman's in way.
Cameraman's as well.
Cameraman's in way.
What are we doing there?
Right, we're putting a load of brackets on and stuff like that. All the little crappy bits, which you can't put in whilst the engine's out. So Jake's now struggling trying to put this bracket on. Jake struggles to get a diet, but that's another question.
Emotional damage.
He loves cake.
No wonder I'm struggling.
We're just trying to work out where all these brackets go now. Where'd that go, Ryan?
Under bonnet.
Where's the bonnet? Over there.
Bonnet's on there.
Go on, Nathan, throw it over there.
This was fully supposed to go on before I was
Right, where?
It really was.
Come here, you tractor mechanic. Stop recording.
Show us how it's done.
Oh, I don't
It
like
slides behind that.
It was a battle to get it off.
Yeah, you know what's happening with this one?
Yeah.
Told you.
No, I'm not going to throw it in.
Engineer, actually, not mechanic.
That's going in the spare parts area there.
It's getting filed in file B1N.
Here comes the money. Lovely, lovely.
I've got a face for radio, that's why I'm behind the camera.
Well, we've got face for digital content.
Yeah.
No, we don't.
You and your moustache.
Factory podcast. I just need Jake's hair.
Shave it off.
Oh, watch him. I'm ratcheting this bolt in at the same rhythm.
That's on for the hub. Would you like a magnet?
Yes, please.
That's class, that. You got a longer one?
No, that's all I've got.
What's that you've got there now?
It is a pipe.
With the bit of metal on it.
That's a differential pressure transfer.
You're so clever. You're so clever, you're so sexy.
Oh, I've left the beers in the freezer. Are we actually having a beer?
Non-alcoholic, of course.
Yes. Any brand you want.
Yeah, if anyone wants to sponsor, feel free.
Other than Carling.
Yeah.
Can't beat a cat.
Shame it's Stella.
I mean, any non-brand beer, non-alcoholic.
Done.
I think it's water.
Cheers.
Should we take the logo?
Nice full pan of water.
So crack this one-handed now.
Don't wait,
Agua.
I've got it.
Some good H2O. Just think of all the hot within there.
I'm not setting myself a good example, am I, for work? I can actually mechanic ruin people, just look stupid.
Such a good boy.
Wow.
We can confirm.
Boing, boing.
What a pretty car.
Shame about the driver. It will be very pretty once Colin has done his thing.
Mine's just been for some fuel.
We're going to take the 2-year-old stuff out because it's probably no good to man the dog.
Alright, not that she'll run anyway.
Chief mechanic, what do you think?
I think it'll run.
That sounds empty.
Is it on a plastic tank?
Yeah.
There's no bums.
No bums.
We could
I swear about 40 litres, but it sounds.
We could just drill an hole and then silicon it up. Could have bought a new one.
Funnily enough, I said the same.
But no one learns.
That'll do. It's only going to blow anyway.
Correct talk setting.
Something just dripped on my face.
Let's have a look.
It's right on the schnoz.
Oh yeah, bit of black.
Cable tie that clip on it somewhere that plug.
Bless you. Bless you.
Oh, man.
Yeah, H2O. Aqua de can. Going for some of them angles. The most dynamic cameraman shine I've ever had. Sorry, Colin.
We thought we'd best put this in before.
Before you test your wipers. It's like Bear Grylls. Improvise, adapt, and overcome.
We don't play around with spouts around here.
Ooh. A bit of spillage.
Nah, it's a little drop.
No. No 14s.
No. Yeah, there is.
Jake! You could probably drink it and pass it off as Monster.
When was the last time you put fuel in it?
About 2 years ago. Well, 1 year and 8 months.
There's still loads coming.
It's like me when I go to the toilet. Almost done. I'll go again a bit now. You just have to watch the language. They're watching the football. It's Villa versus Newcastle. 2-1 at the moment. Mid-table battle.
Champions League, mate.
Who's going to win?
Newcastle.
Villa.
Oh, no way, I could have guessed you said that.
Yeah, it was predictable. Still got some spillage.
Finger!
He said, for clarification to the camera, I hurt my finger.
Hello.
Right, we are going to now turn it over and hopefully we can build up some oil pressure. We haven't got the fuel pipes on, so fingers crossed it turns over alright.
Moment of truth. Oh! I'm so glad I moved out of the way of that. We've just had an absolute ejection.
Key fob's dead, so he's not going to do the immobiliser.
Oh my god. So the key fob is dead and the immobiliser sequence you have to do goes off the key fob.
Take the battery out and fly Tesco and get one. Right, we're going to turn it over now and hopefully build up oil pressure. Let's see how it goes. Check that turbo ferrule and see if oil comes out.
Standing back this time.
You've got the clock? We're missing something for the starter. Yes, of course we missed it. It's the earth. Who didn't put the earth on? Unless the starter says.
Is this more or less fun than the last time, Nathan?
Less.
What are your thoughts, Ryan? Says it all. He's getting very aggy. He needs to go roller KA, take his anger out. It's been a week, not even since he crashed the last one.
Right, that is resolved. Right, try again. I think I've just bypassed it. Try and start it.
There's not enough excitement there, is there? There you go.
Right, start seized. Right, we need a bar and a comma.
Once you lift the car up, and then you want to need a hammer.
Bless me.
If you lift the car up, you want to need a hammer.
Holy man.
They don't know start the motor. Do I have a 5-speed starter at home?
Ollie's still recording.